Hello students, in today's lecture we are starting with the Fundamental Statistics Semester 4 chapter number 4 Arithmetic and Geometric Progression. Let's start with the first arithmetic progression, then we will start with the geometric progression. First, what do you mean by the arithmetic progression? A sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a constant number to its preceding term. It's called arithmetic progression. That means if there is a series will be there and each and every term after adding a constant number of it and we get the next term, that is known as the arithmetic progression, and that constant number known as a common difference, that is D. Suppose there is a series like 2, 6, 10, 14. As you can see, the difference between each term is 4. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. So here the same constant number is there in the difference, that is known as D, that is common difference. This common difference, and in this way if we are getting any series, that is known as arithmetic progression. The first term of the series stands as A, and if you have to find out how the format is made, A, first term should be represented as A, the second term is A plus D, the third term is A plus 2D, then A plus 3D. How the whole series are going to frame in the arithmetic progression. So basic structure is the general form of the arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. This is the general form of the arithmetic progression. Now if we have to find out the any term of that series, we can find out nth term of an arithmetic progression. What is the formula for it? Formula is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is how, using that formula, we can find out the nth term of the any series of the arithmetic progression, and we have to find out the sum of the nth term. Then sum of nth term. There are two formulas is there. First is, if the first and the last term is already given of the series, then you have to find out using this formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 A plus L. A stands for first term, L stands for last term, and the second formula is Sn is equals to n by 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So for the arithmetic progression, there is 3 points is most important. First is general form of the arithmetic progression. Second is to find out the nth term and the sum of the nth term. So for the solution of the arithmetic problems, there is 3 important points are there. Let's start with the illustration number 2. There are two series given in the illustration 1. First is 37, 33, 29, 25. Find out the 50th term. Then 7, 8.5, 10, 11.5, and find out the 81st term. Right? So let's find out with the illustration number 1. Series is first 37, 33, 29 and 25. We have to find out the 58th term. That means we have to find out Tn. That means T50 is equals to what? That we have to find out. That means n is equals to 50. A is equals to first term, that is 37, and difference 33 minus 37, that means minus 4. So difference is minus 4. Now using the formula, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. That means T50 is equals to 37 plus 50 minus 1 into minus 4. That means 37 plus 49 multiply minus 4. So plus minus 37, 49 4s, that is 196. What should be the answer? 37 minus 90, 196. Answer came into the minus 159. So T50 is equals to minus 159. Same way we have to find out the second one. 7, 8 and a half, 10, 11 and a half. We have to find out 81st term. So Tn is equals to T81. We have to find out n is equals to 81, A is equals to 7, and D is equals to, D means difference. 8.5 minus 7, that is 1.5, that is times 3 by 2. So difference is 3 by 2. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Answer will come 127. Now let's solve the illustration number 2. The fourth term of the AP is 19, 12th term is 51. Then find out the 21st term. Fourth term is given, that is T4 is given 19, and T12 is given 51, and we have to find out the 21. Right? T4 is given 19, T12 is given 54. What is the formula? Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T4 is equals to A plus 4 minus 1, 3D. That is A plus 3D is equals to 19. That is the first equation, right? The same way for the 12th term. T12 is equals to A plus 11D. That means A plus 11D is equals to 51. This is the second term. Let's solve the equation, that is A plus 3D is equals to 19 and A plus 11D is equals to 51. 51 minus 19, that is 32. That means D is equals to 32 by 8. D is equals to 4. So here we get D is equals to 4. So in any of the formula we put the value of the D. That is A plus 3D is equals to 19. A plus 3, 4. Now we have received A is equals to 7, D is equals to 4. Now we have to find out the T21, that is A plus 20D. A stands for 7, 20D. Right? This is how we solve the illustration number 2. Let's start with the illustration number 3. Find the sum up to the required number of the term of the following. Here we have to find out the sum. First is 100, 93, 86, 79 up to 28th term. These are the format is given. Now find out Sn is equals to n by 2 in a bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So n is 20 by 2. 2a plus 20 minus 1, that is 19, multiply with minus 7. So 19 multiply 7 minus, that will come minus 133. So 10, 200 minus 133. The total will come 67 and total as 20 is equals to 670. The same way we are going to solve the second term, that is 7, 19 by 2, 12, 29 by 2 and 17 up to 38th term. Right? A is equals to 7. We have to find out as 30. D have to find out 19 by 2, that means 9.5, and the 9.5 minus 7, that is 2.5, and 2.5 stands for 5 by 2. So D will come 5 by 2. Again we have to find out as 30. I am directly putting the values. One two 97.5. This is the sum for 30 term. Now, as we have discussed that in the TN series, the two points are given, that is T4 and T12 are given, and we have to find out the T21. Similarly, in the illustration number 4, the sum of the sixth term, that means S6 is given, 57. S10 is given 155. Then you have to find out the 28th term. Not the sum of the 20 term. We have to find out the 28th term. That means S60 57 is given, S10 is equals to 155 is given, and we have to find out the T20. Right? So Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the format. Find out S6. 6 by 2 2a plus 5d. That is 3 2a plus 5d. That is 6a plus 15d is equals to S6 is equals to 57. So what would be the equation? Equation is 6a plus 15d is equals to 57. Out of this 3 can be a common. So 2a, 3 as a common. So new equation we will get 2a plus 5d is equals to 19. That is first equation. Now the second part is given. S10 is equals to 155. So Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus 9d. That is 5 2a plus 9d is equals to 155. So again out of this 5 can be common. This is the second equation. Sorry, here it will come a. By elimination method, let's find out the a and d respectively. D we get 3. Let's apply in the any of the formula. Using this, we find out the a is equals to 2. We put into find out the 2 T20. That is T20 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 2, 19 and d is equals to 3. So T20 will come 59. Understood?